Step by step, I've walked 100 miles and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you want it so.
Hello everybody and welcome to Born Free on Two Wheels. It is summer and we have to make our motorcycles ready to drive. So today we are in the garage and work on the final drive on our Beamer. Let's go! Yes, hello everybody. Now we are down in our garage and we have to change the oil on the final drive on our lovely BMW R1150RT. And to that we are using oil from Motul Gear 75-90 as prescribed. You can also use Castrol, it's a little cheaper, but we have chosen to use Motul. And for your own safety and for your motorcycle safety, you have to use this one, a torque wrench, so you don't over-tight anything, so you don't destroy your motorcycle. It's not good, especially not on a Beamer that is very expensive in everything. So take care of it. Let's get to it. We start with taking the bag off, so we have more space, of course. The first screw we remove down there is the one up, as Sakia showed you now, so we can get air down to the oil so we can empty it. And in all BMW screws, you have to use a special key. Most doesn't know that, but this one have 6 tacos, 6 on the sides. Those you can buy anywhere in a tool and in a tool shop. Okay, as you can see, then Sakia, my wife, she starts with the screw up, so we can get air down to the final drive, so we better can let the oil float out. And remember those washers. It's best to change them every time and to use cover washers. In Spanish we call them cerraduras. And I recommend that you use cover washers and change them every time. So now Sakia, she have loosen the screw down so we can get the old dirty oil out. And I recommend you to change this oil one time every year. And you maybe wonder why I am not doing it, but my wife. And that is because I have had a working accident in Denmark, a terrible one, and my hands, they are not good to do this kind of job, so I do it together with my family. It's also nice. If you use normal oil, then you have to change it twice a year, but if you buy a very good oil, then you only have to do it one time every year. But remember to do it. It's running, yeehaw. Let's get that dirty old oil out and make the motorcycle ready for many tours this year. Many videos with Sabrina. Now we wait until it is completely empty. And remember to change those washers there, so everything is nice. And remember to clean everything. And for that we use this one here, a chain cleaner. So everything is clean and good when it has to be collected again. Now we clean it outside, so that it's clean for everything. No dirt sitting. You keep your finger over the hole, then you have no problems. Voila. So now we have to tighten the screw under, so we can fill oil on. The torque wrench you have to use, mine it don't have 23 Nm. You have to tighten it with 23. It has 20 and 25. That will say you have to go to 20, and then you have to use those numbers out in the side until you are in 23. I hope you understand that. So you don't over tighten everything. And 23 is after BMW's instructions. So let's do it. Zakia, she put it now on 23. So now we change the washers, so we have fresh ones on, so no oil is coming out. And in goes everything. And remember, when the torque wrench key say click click, yeah, then you have hit your goal. We tighten it now. Give it a little more. Okay, we are ready for the oil, and you also use 230 milliliter. And if you don't have anything to measure with, then it has to be right under the edge when you look down. That is also after BMW's book and their manual. And then we are ready to drive for one season more with the final drive. Okay, now we put a new cover washer on this one and put it on. Wait, there was a motorcycle out there. Woohoo! I'm also going out today, so It's nice weather and the sun is shining here in Galicia in northern of Spain. Fantastic weather. If you are passing one day, then let me know. Now we closed it with this one here, and it has to say tick tick, then it's finished. Okay, listo. Okay, and so we don't have oil lying everywhere. Then we take this fantastic chain cleaner here and spray so everything is clean for oil. And voila, listo, finish. So we are finished. It's a small job you can do yourself and save a lot of money, and then you know that what you have done to your motorcycle is perfect. Not like somebody else you just pay some as money for, and then he take it tick 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 and say everything is okay. Then you know your motorcycle is always tip top. And again, I show you the oil I have used. I prefer this one. Castrol is maybe just as good. It's marginals today on the oils, but you can choose what you want. And again, those keys here, they cost small money. Use it. It was everything from Born Free on 2 wheels today. Soon there will come new as a videos up with how to change the gearbox oil and the motor oil and filter. Have a nice day. Okay, my friends, it was what we could show you from Born Free today. I hope you can use it to your own motorcycle. It's the same no matter what motorcycle you have. A final drive is a final drive. There can only be something with the torque that can be different. Have a nice day.
Step by step, I've walked 100 miles and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find.